Hey everybody, всем привет, labdien, welcome to my wonderful kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these delicious peach and vanilla puddings. They look so adorable, they taste incredible, that kind of peachy vanilla flavor, and it feels like you're eating a peach in a glass. I can't even describe how amazing this dessert is. It's super easy to make, it just takes a bit of time of fiddling, of filling it in and waiting, you know, until it's set. But the final result is amazing. You can make it even in a smaller pots if you like. I made 2 big ones and I literally ate them all. They're so yummy. And guys, before we start cooking, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell next to the subscribe button. This way you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video. And you really don't want to miss out on any of my new videos because they're amazing. Now, let's get started. In a bowl, add sugar and then add your cornstarch and mix everything together with your whisk. And then I'm going to add some milk inside, just a little bit at a time so we don't get any lumps, and just mix everything slowly until you get a nice paste, just like this. Then add your egg yolks, loads of them, and mix everything together until it's nice and combined again. So you want an even mixture. Then we're gonna add a little bit more milk, so just slowly add your milk inside and mix everything again until the mixture sort of becomes even and smooth. And then we're gonna take it to the stove where we're gonna whisk continuously until the mixture starts to thicken up. Once you see that it starts thickening up, you want to add some butter and vanilla extract and then quickly incorporate it all together. This will set really quickly, so you want to pour it into your presentation glasses straight away. Because I'm using several layers, I'm doing my vanilla one first, and then that goes into the fridge. Now we're gonna make our jelly layer. So add super hot water into your pan, and then add your gelatin. I'm using peach gelatin, so you can substitute with any other gelatin that you have. This one is amazing though. And once it's all melted completely, we're just gonna pour the double cream into a separate bowl and whisk this until it sort of forms nice soft peaks. You'll be able to see just like this. And then we're going to mix our cream with our jelly. So add 1 spoon at a time and then mix everything together with your gelatin. And you'll sort of get this nice beautiful color. And then I'm also adding some red food coloring, just to give it a nice orange color because it is peach and I want it to be sort of summery and lovely. And then pour it into your presentation glass and then place in a fridge to set completely. Then once the first and second layers are set, you want to add more of your vanilla cream on top and just be very careful. You need to wait quite a long time until the layers set in between, and then decorate with some more peaches on top. And here we go, beautiful peachy vanilla dessert with several layers. You've got your vanilla layer at the bottom, then you've got your peach jelly in the middle, then you've got your sort of peach and whipped cream, which is very smooth like a mousse texture, and then topped with more vanilla. It is so light, so delicious, so yummy, guys. I can't describe. The flavors literally melt in your mouth. It feels like a peach explosion and I love it. And guys, make sure you check out my website for the full recipe. I've got loads of other recipes, over 500 on my website, which is all free, and you can use them and watch the full video demos as well. So check it out and let me know what you're making next. Thank you so much for watching this video, and check out loads of other videos that I have on my channel.